Earn over $500 and the ways to get paid to watch videos, YouTube, movies, TV commercials, phone ads. Welcome to your favorite channel called the EarlyPal. You may have previously believed that the only way to generate money from movies or television is to work in the industry. That isn't the case. Albeit, performing what we recommend here will most likely not result a full-time salary, but rather some extra cash. Yes, you can be compensated for watching movies or television, and in most cases, doing anything extra like reporting on it. Today on our channel, you'll get to know all the ways on how to earn over $500 just by watching YouTube videos. Make sure you stay with us until the end. It's not simple to get one of these jobs, but if it pays you to sit in front of a computer screen, which you're probably doing most of the time anyway, it's worth a shot. Because it doesn't cost you more than just your free time that you can waste here and there. Why not utilize that time in earning something? Well, not just something, but earning a lot. Whether you work for a market research firm or an advertising agency, you're compensated for doing something that benefits others. The following are some of the online options available to you. Number 1. Get paid to watch YouTube videos. Paid to YouTube is a site that pays you for watching YouTube videos. The only downside is that you have to be addicted to YouTube videos, as each one you watch only pays half a cent. As an hourly rate, that's not very good, but if you were to watch YouTube videos anyway, what the heck? You can earn a bit more by contributing in the ratings, adding comments to the videos, and referring other people. Number 2. Earn points with Viggle. Viggle will pay you in points to listen to music and to watch TV shows. You can download this as an app on your Android and Apple devices. Once you have enough points, you can redeem for rewards such as gift cards, music downloads, and more. Viggle users have reportedly earned over $19 million in rewards so far. Number 3. Watch Netflix for money. The jobs don't come up very often, but Netflix has openings from time to time for people to watch their movies and shows and make sure that they are categorized properly. Netflix calls these people taggers. The hours will be long, but watching the shows is, in all likelihood, what you were going to do in any case. Look for openings on the Netflix job board. Number 4. Get paid to watch TV commercials. If you register on hitbliss.com, when you watch TV shows, movies, and ads, you earn cash. That is, you earn cash, as the cash you earn can only be spent in the HitBliss store to rent movies and is not paid out in money. Nevertheless, it saves you having to spend to rent the latest movies, so it keeps money in your pocket. Number 5. Get paid $8 an hour to watch TV as a professional TV watcher. You can be paid as a job to watch television. You have to be more than a couch potato, though. Professional TV watchers do things like watch different shows and identify clips that can be used in other programs, such as The Daily Show or in the news programs. These clips must encapsulate the point that is being made. The amount you get can vary a lot. Jimmy Kimmel's show used to offer $500 to $600 a week back in 2005. A job posting on Entertainment Careers said that the starting pay would be $8 per hour and that those who were employed would need to pay close attention to details. You can also read more about it on Investopedia. Another website you can look at is workinentertainment.com, another industry site, or you can look at the general job boards and search for the keywords TV watcher. Number 6. Get paid to play TV trivia games. Update: unfortunately, Reward TV has shut down after 14 years. You can watch what you like and then find questions about it on Reward TV. The website offers you trivia questions on all manner of programs, and by answering these, you can earn rewards points. As with other websites, points can be redeemed for gift cards, cash, or other things. And every day you play, you get an automatic entry into a $10,000 sweepstakes. This is a great website to visit with friends because then you can test each other on your own favorite programs, or all can join and try to get a perfect score. And all the time, you are racking up points on your account while enjoying yourself. Number 7. Get paid to watch movie trailers and commercials. Unlike some of the other programs, in this case, they are really interested in your opinions and not just wanting you to log in hours and hours of viewing. You can get paid to watch movie trailers as the research companies help movie companies figure out which trailers work best before they are put out for publicity. Another type of video is advertising for food and other products. Once again, the market research companies want to find out which adverts will work and appreciate feedback from the public, for which they will pay you. Some of the market research companies you can check out are Global Test Market, My Survey, My View, Survey Spot. Number 8. Enter to win a scholarship. CableTV.com is currently running a promotion that allows you to win $1,000 for school by watching TV. It is interested in getting photos of you watching TV in your favorite place and wants you to write an essay describing why you chose that place, as well as detailing what show you're watching and on what device. These scholarship opportunities are offered at regular intervals, so if you're interested and there's nothing on at the moment, make sure you bookmark the site and come back at intervals to check on the next promotion. Number 9. Become a part of Nielsen family. As you probably know, Nielsen is a respected company that tracks the viewing habits and provides ratings for TV programs. Reportedly, Nielsen is increasing the number of families who take part in its survey, so you might be lucky. The families get paid for their opinions and also influence what gets shown on TV. The trouble is, you can't simply apply. Nielsen put it like this: we cannot ask every home to participate, so we carefully select a sample of homes in your community to represent the entire TV audience. To be statistically accurate, it is essential that our samples be randomly selected. Every household in the US has a chance of being selected no matter where it's located. So as long as you're included in every household, then there is hope. Number 10. YouCubes. YouCubes at YouCubes.com is an advertising agency. They offer advertisers guaranteed views of their websites for which the advertisers pay. So they need people who will view the websites. You can sign up with them to view websites, complete online surveys, and watch videos, and you get paid a portion of the fees that they are paid. If you introduce friends to the website, you'll get paid extra. Number 11. Swagbucks. Swagbucks offers another easy way to earn a little cash. You can get free gift cards for watching videos, taking surveys, playing games, searching the web, or even for online shopping. It's free to join and offers gift cards to many popular stores. There is also an option for you to receive money back through PayPal, and the site has sweepstakes where you can win gift cards, a PlayStation, and other things. Number 12. Quick Rewards. Quick Rewards is for the UK, US, and Canadian viewers, and by now, you probably have a good idea how it works. Yes, you watch videos, fill out surveys, play games, etc., and earn rewards. The rewards will be paid out on PayPal or with credits to Amazon, Walmart, or Disney. These are all the ways that you can earn money by dedicating your time and energy. Thanks for watching this video. We hope that it probably helped you well. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more informative content like this. We'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, stay healthy and take care.